Me and Ricky used to cross the Verde all the time.
Crossing the river to hit High Line and
Oh shit, I better pull my pads up higher.
all the epic
My knees almost.
stuff.
How cold is that shit, baby? Slippery, boys.
Way slippery.
And it's fucking ice cold. I can't feel my feet already.
Y'all are doing everything at once, huh? They're gonna make me fall.
It wasn't as bad as I thought, actually.